Hi everyone! For today's video, timpla lang ng juice. So, ayan, with my juice. So, ayan, empty cup, empty glass. Saka dito tayo. Okay, kuha tayo ng tubig dito. Shout out and everything! For today's video, I'm drinking grapefruit, 100% juice. Ay! Okay, inumin lahat ng tubig. Hindi siya masarap talaga, guys. In fairness. So, introducing my very malakas na vitamin C. Kung sa bundok pa namin to is buongon. Vitamin C, yan. Pinopromote ko na. Pa! Ay, my goodness. Okay? So, timplahin natin. Okay? Hindi talaga siya masarap. Okay? So, yan. Ang iniinom ko ngayon yung mga malalakas ng antioxidants. Ooh. Whoops. Okay. Oh, mabisa po to sa vitamin C. Pero kahit anong vitamin C ko, allergy pa talaga. But it's okay. Allergy here is just common. So, ingat-ingat na lang po. At, hindi talaga siya masarap. Okay? Try nyo po to, guys. Mga ka-YouTube ko, try nyo po to. Yung mga hindi masarap na juice ngayon ang iniinom ko. Like tomato juice. I promote that here on my YouTube channel. Like this. Hindi siya masarap. Bitter. Sour. It's okay, so yon. Baliktarin ko na ang mundo ko kasi yung mga masarap is just seasonal na lang po yan. Pero yung mga hindi masarap is forever in my life. Since alam nyo po yung sitwasyon ng aking buhay. Okay? So, have a life, have a good life. Have a life, good living. Ano ba yan, Wolpe? Hindi ka na namin maintindihan kung ano si pinagsasabi mo. Healthy life, a happy life. That's it. Okay? And be happy, everyone. Okay? For this video, that's it. Maraming salamat, YouTube followers. Kung meron man kayong comment, yes, type the comments down below on my video. So, suggest nyo naman kung anong juice na hindi masarap ang ipapainom nyo sa akin para magbumukha akong tangi. Tanga. Okay, happy lang guys, and enjoy, and happy weekend mga ka-YouTube! Like and subscribe to my channel! Bye! Hindi masarap na juice!